So basically, this is my account balance for the month of February. I I was just down about I was down about 1.5% in February. Yeah, I was down about 1.5%. So right now, I think um okay hang on. Yeah, these are the trades I took throughout February. If you look closely from here, all these things are February. This is the first loss I took on Euro USD. This is the second loss I took on USDCHF. Then this is the profit I made from USD card. So I lost 2% here. I'm approximating it. This is 19.75, 19.7, but I'm approximating. I lost 2% here. I lost 2% here. That's 4%. Then I made 4% here. If you look closely, it's actually 4%. All the profit here, the sum of all the profit here is over 40 USD, which is 4%. 2% is 20 USD because my account size is $1,000. 2% is 20 USD. 2% minus 2% minus 2%, then plus 4%. All this trade I took. Let's do the math. 28 plus 7 plus 7. If I should pull up my calculator, 28 plus 7 plus 7. Hang on, sorry. 28 plus 7 plus 7. That's over 40 USD, so which is 4% actually. Then I lost another 2%. So in total, I was down just 2% because the profit I made from here, from this USD card sale, it made up for the losses I made on USD card and USDCHF. So that's a good risk management right there. So I'm down just 2%, which was on UAD, the last trade I took for the month. I took that trade on the 18th. I closed out on the 25th. That's over 1 week. So that's it for the P&L. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'll just top up the account. I will top up my account because this is a new month. If you look closely from here, we are currently on the 3rd day of March 2025. This is a new month, and I want to start the month like on a fresh start. Yeah, we are still sticking to the plan. So let's go. That's just it. That's just on my dashboard. And I'll catch you guys when I see a trade, when I see a setup.
What's good, guys? What's good, YouTube? It's Good Luck Buy again, and this is a new week. This video is just a recap of everything I did throughout this week and the trades I took, if they hit stop loss or they hit take profit. Yeah, so let's hop to the screen. I don't take too much of your time. As you can see, I'm in school and yeah, I'm quite busy, so I don't want to take too much of your time. Let's just hop to the screen right away.
So this was on Monday. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, on Monday I entered this trade on Monday. This was on USDCHF 1 hour time frame. I entered this trade on Monday, and I also entered another trade. I entered 2 trades this week. Yeah, I entered 2 trades this week. USDCHF and GBPUSD, I guess. USDCHF and GBPUSD. Yeah, GBPUSD didn't go well. GBPUSD, I hit stop loss on GBPUSD. As you can see right here, I sold GBPUSD at this point, but I was wrong and I got stopped out. And I lost 2% on GBPUSD. Then on USDCHF, I sold USDCHF as well. So it was USDCHF that actually went well. Yeah, USDCHF went well. So what did I see before entering this trade? Let me just quickly recap. What did I see before entering this trade? And as you can see from here, I think during February, I lost 2%. If I've been following up with the series, I lost 2% on USDCHF sometime in February. And I learned from that loss and I entered this trade again. When price came back to that area, I entered it again. And this one went well this time around. I would have actually had this level as an overall profit target, but based on the fact that price reversed from around this area, I just had to set my profit level around that area too, in case if price wants to reverse again. You feel me? So what did I see before entering this trade? How I wish I could replay my charts, but I'm not subscribed to TradingView, so I can't replay my chart. So just do with what I have. On the weekly time frame, first of all, on the weekly time frame, if you can see from my analysis, weekly time frame was bullish. Yeah, weekly time frame is bullish. Weekly time frame is bullish. Why is weekly time frame bullish? We have a high, higher low, higher high. Until this low is taken out, until this low is taken out, weekly time frame is bullish. So if this low gets taken out with the full body candle, weekly time frame will turn bearish. So after having this information from the weekly time frame, I have to hop down to the daily time frame. All I do is just do a top-down analysis right from the weekly time frame to around the hourly time frame, or from the weekly time frame to the hourly time frame, to know what I will do with all the information all this time frame gives me. So on the daily time frame now, daily time frame is clearly bearish around here. As you can see, we have a high, okay, a low, higher high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Daily time frame was bearish, and that was on Monday, right? Okay, this is a Monday candle, if I'm not mistaken. 3rd March. This is Monday candle. So on the daily time frame, price was already on my area of interest. Price was on this zone. You see, on Monday, this is Monday's candle. Price was on this zone. So after knowing that the daily time frame is bearish, and on this time frame as well, we have like something like a double top formation. We have a double top formation around here. We have a breakout, then a retest, then breakout. Price came back to retest this level again. This first level now is where I entered the trade as at February. This level was where I entered as at February. The trade played out, but I got stopped out before price went my way, and I lost 2%. So price came back to that area again. It came back to that region, and I had to enter again after seeing my confirmation. So since having known that the daily time frame, the weekly time frame is bullish and the daily time frame is bearish, I had to hop down to the hourly time frame to see what information the hourly time frame was giving me, so I can make my decision based off those information. So on the 4 hours time frame now, what I had on the 4 hours time frame was see the first time price came to that level, and I was short, but I got stopped out. Then price came back to that level again. So on the hourly time frame now, we have a sweet double top formation around here. We have a double top, then breakout of the neckline, then retest of neckline. Then price just came back to retest that level again. So hang on. Price came back to retest on that level again. So now, what did I see on this hourly time frame, on this 4 hour time frame that made me to go short? First of all, on the 4 hours time frame, after price got to this level, after price got to this area, price is showing, price was bullish around here. But at the point price got to this area, price is showing some signs of reversal. Price showed some signs of reversal. First of all, we have a bearish engulfing candle around here. Like, we can call this a tweezer top. We have a green candle, a black candle, bullish candle, bearish candle, equal momentum. So the sellers were able to diminish the momentum that the buyers created at this point. So we had a tweezer top around here, or we can call it a bearish engulfing candle. Then we now had a doji around here. We had a doji candle. After the bearish engulfing candle, it was followed up with a doji candle. Then after the doji candle, I think it was on this doji candle I really entered. But I didn't enter based on just this information on the 4 hours time frame. Fine. On the 4 hours time frame, we've had a tweezer top, a bearish engulfing candle, and we're having a doji. So fine, that's enough information. Like, that's a good information that price wants to reverse on the 4 hours time frame. But we are not going to really rely on just that information. Now I have to up down to the 2 hours time frame. On the 2 hours time frame, what did I see on the 2 hours time frame? On the 2 hours time frame, I saw, I worked with momentum on the 2 hours time frame. We have a high, a higher low, higher high. Then my plan was that if price can take out this new low, this recent low on the 2 hours time frame, then we are heading to the downside. One thing about the whole thing is that structure is just king. If you follow your structure, you are good to go. Market structure is just everything. Because if price wants to go down, price should show me that, okay, I want to start taking out lows to go to the downside. That's it. So structure should be your main priority. I just had to stick to structure, and my plan was that, okay, price is going up, price is creating higher highs, higher lows, price is taking out highs. for price to tell me that it wants to go down, price should take out lows. So that's what I just did. I expected price to take out this low for me to go short, for price to really tell me that it wants to go to the downside. So now, as you can see, after price took out this low, that's where I had my entry. And aside that too, on the 1 hour time frame, I think we had a head and shoulders pattern. Perfect. So on the 1 hour time frame, this was just the height of it all. After I saw this head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour time frame, that was just it. I concluded that price is ready to drop to the downside. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have the left head. Let me draw it out for you to see. We have left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Then a break of neckline. Then price even came back to retest. So as you know, the head and shoulders pattern is a reversal pattern. Once you see the head and shoulders pattern, you know that price wants to reverse from bullish to bearish. Then inverse head and shoulders pattern is still for reversal. It's the opposite way. You know that price wants to reverse from bearish to bullish. That's just it. So now on the hourly time frame, after I saw this head and shoulders pattern formation, then I had my entry after the neckline was taken out with a full body candle. If I should zoom in, you can see clearly that the neckline was taken. I had my entry around here. After this neckline was taken out with a full body candle, I had my entry and I set my stop loss. I would have easily set my stop loss on the right shoulder, but I decided to give price enough breathing space in case the price wants to retest. I decided to give price enough breathing space, so I had my stop loss above my area of interest. Yeah, slightly above my area of interest, and my stop loss was around, it was 29 pips. Yeah, my stop loss was 29 pips, and I was targeting how many pips? 87 pips. And this trade is actually 1:3 risk to reward. Yeah, which means that as I'm risking 2% on this trade, I am willing to make 6%. Yeah, I made 6% on this trade. I risked only 2%. So at the end of the day now, the loss I had on GBPUSD, remember I told you earlier that I had a loss on GBPUSD. I lost 2% on GBPUSD and I made 6% on USDCHF. So 6% minus the 2% I lost, that means overall I'm up 4% for this week. So this was just it. This is just what I saw that made me enter this trade. This is what I saw that made me enter this trade. Very, very simple. I didn't really think too much. It didn't even take me up to an hour to see all these things, to analyze all these things and enter the trade. So that was just it. Then on GBPUSD, so GBPUSD now, what happened on GBPUSD? You see, this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and price blew to the upside. Remember I told you, this head and shoulders pattern is a very, very powerful pattern that price respects a lot. So this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and price reversed, and I lost the trade. So as you can see right from here, I wouldn't have really entered this GBPUSD trade because first of all, price was bearish. If you look closely from this pattern, price was bearish, and it's as if price wanted to retest the neckline. This is like a double top. If I should go to the daily time frame, that's like a double top formation. Yeah, this is like a double top formation on the daily time frame. You can see clearly, right? This is a double top formation, and price broke out from the neckline. So I entered that trade around here upon the retest of the neckline, but I didn't know that I was kind of faked out. So I had this head and shoulders, not head and shoulders, double top. I had this double top pattern here around here, and price broke out from the neckline. Then I was expecting price to retest and drop to the downside, but unfortunately, price didn't retest. It was a fake out. Like I got faked out, and that was what happened. I lost 2% around here. So if you can see, I entered the trade from the neckline. Yeah, I really entered the trade from the neckline, but price did like it wanted to drop. Structures were actually broken. If you look around here, structures were broken. Okay, first of all, we have a high, lower, higher low, lower high, lower low. As you can see clearly. So when the structure was broken, I entered, but at the end of the day, the whole thing was just a retracement, and I just lost 2% around here. So that was it. So that's just regarding the recap. So at the end of the day, let me go to my XNest platform. Let me go to my XNest platform so that you can see that I really entered this trade. I'm not just capping, I'm not just ranting, I'm not just talking. I entered the trades. Let it load. So it's loading. So yeah, this is it. The trades I entered, close orders. Yeah. So what you just neglect all these trades here. The ones you should pay attention to is GBPUSD and USDCHF, because you see all this the rest trades were taken in February. If you can look closely from it, this is February. So we're in the month of March. So check on the 3rd of March around 8 to 7 a.m. I entered the GBPUSD sale and I lost 19 USD, which is around 1.9% of my account, because I'm trading $1,000 account. Then on the same day around 9:04 a.m. I entered USDCHF. Sale, and I made 58 USD, which is approximately 5.8% of my account. So at the end of the day, I am up about 4%. Okay, let's say now what's currently here is 3.9%, which is approximately 4%. You understand? 3.9% is approximately 4%. So that's just it. That's just how the whole thing went. And yeah, that's it. So guys, that's just the recap of how the trades I took for this week, how it went. And if you like this format at which I presented these trades, if you like it, just let me know. Or if you prefer me to update you real time, my previous episodes I was updating you guys real time. Like whenever I wanted to enter the trade, I made a video. I told you guys, okay, see what I'm seeing, I'm about to enter, and you guys were just following up back to back, and it made the video kind of longer. But this time around, I'm just making a recap on all the trades I entered. You get? So this time around is as if the trade has already played out, and I'm not explaining what happened. I'm explaining the result of the trade. But the previous episode, I was updating real time. Like, I don't know how to put this in it, but you know what I'm trying to say. I was updating you guys real time in the previous episode. So you guys should let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Do you prefer I update you real time, or you prefer this format now? Because if I update you real time, the video is going to be longer. But if I do this format now, if I update you after the trade has played out, it's going to be shorter. So which one do you guys prefer? Should I be updating you guys real time, or I should be updating you guys after I've taken the trades? So just let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and join the journey, the documentary. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.